everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again today I have another unboxing, and today we have the Look Fantastic beauty box. If you want to see and discover with me what's inside the box, please keep on watching. So this month's box is a plain cardboard rustic looking box with a silver line across. It's really pretty actually. It's simple but pretty. And let's dig inside. So here's inside. We have the Beauty Edit from Look Fantastic. Every box comes with an Elle magazine subscription, and this is this month's. And let's check inside. So here's how it looks inside, and let's go ahead and see what we think. So this month's Look Fantastic box, it says in here, this month we're taking a natural approach to our beauty routine with the Raw Beauty Edition. So I can see it's like a trend with the boxes this month with more natural stuff. The glossy box was as well a fruity or floral edition. So let's go ahead and see what we've got inside. First thing I see in the box, it's this Ahava Dead Sea Salt, natural Dead Sea bath salt. In here it's a 250 grams, so it's quite a large bag of sea salt. And let's see what it has in here. Experience the ultimate restorative soak with this natural Dead Sea bath salt. Enriched with over 21 essential skin-friendly minerals, this salt can help to replenish skin and relieve muscle tension and inflammation, softening and hydrating skin. Containing magnesium, calcium and potassium, this soap promotes a restful night's sleep. Immerse yourself in the Dead Sea's healing waters with this spa-like salt soak that detoxifies and hydrates. Really interesting. I'm all in for a bath right now. How to use: pour the packet into warm bath water and soak for 20 minutes to harness the full benefits. Editor's tip: if you don't have a bath, try using half the packet as a restorative foot bath. This will capture the benefits of the minerals and give your feet a pamper. So yeah, I'm really keen on trying these. The next product is a Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. Really interesting. I know this the Emma Hardy products are really expensive. So I forgot to tell you that the bath salts are £7. So let's see about this one. Create a hydrating veil over skin with this intensive moisturizer rich in hyaluronic acid. Improve the appearance of the complexion by locking in moisture levels beneath the skin surface, soothing irritation and plumping the skin. How to use: warm product between fingertips and smooth evenly over the face and neck for smooth, radiant skin. Editor's tip: if you have oily skin, you may prefer to use this as a hydrating night cream instead of a daily moisturizer. Okay, interesting. This is a 15 ml size, which is enough for a few uses, and it costs £13.50. So yeah, excited about that. Next we have a serum. So we have a Balance Me Natural Skincare Vitamin C Repair Serum with hyaluronic acid. It's 98% natural. So it's this one in here. It's a 7 ml, so it should be enough for a few uses. Let's see what it says in here. Combat anti-aging and hyperpigmentation with this vitamin C infused repairing serum. containing stabilized vitamin C and melavoid. This serum works to reduce skin pigmentation and calm inflamed skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. How to use: apply after cleansing, dotting the serum over the face and neck in the morning and evening. Editor's tip: if you're using a retinol-based product, we'd suggest alternating its use with a vitamin C, as they can react on the skin if they are used together. Okay, that's good to know. So you kind of get like, we have a face cream, face serum. Let's see what we have next. So next we have a face mask, of course. So next we have this Naube Natural and Organic Origin Recovery Mask. Let's see what it says in here. Created for sensitive skin, this recovery mask from Naube contains softening and refreshing orange floral water, vitamin E and moisturizing ingredients such as rice, poppy and tiger nut oils to restore fatty acids levels in the skin. Ideal for soothing inflamed skin, this mask contains zinc oxide, which helps to enhance the skin barrier and reduce redness. With 98.7% of the ingredients from natural origins and over 30% derived from organic farming methods, this mask is a natural skincare wonder. Interesting. How to use: apply to dry skin and leave on for at least 7 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Editor's tip: this mask contains bentonite clay, so if you have drier skin you may wish to follow this with a rich moisturizer, which I don't. I have very oily skin. And this is a 20 mils, so I don't know, maybe 2 uses, depends how much you put on your skin. And this is worth £4.95. So yeah, we have a face mask, a face cream and a serum, which is not bad. Next we have a makeup product, and it's a Bella Pierre Cosmetics lipstick. Mine it's in the shade Envy, and I think that's the only shade that comes in the box. So let's see what it says in here and then we'll have a look at the color. So enhance the lips with this Your Lips But Better shade of pink. A mineral lipstick formulated with natural waxes and mineral pigments, this smooth and silky 100% natural formula delivers long-lasting color without drying the lips. Apply to lips and reapply as needed. Really? I didn't know that. For a precise finish, outline the lips with a lip liner prior to lipstick application. To tap into a key spring beauty trend, apply then blot with a tissue to achieve a diffused and blended lip color. And this is worth £16, and I am curious about the color. It doesn't seem really pink to me. It's more like a brownish color, but I will swatch it and see how it looks like. So this is the color in here. It's a really pretty color, and I will definitely... Oh my god, it smells like cocoa butter or something. Oh, it smells so good. I will definitely try this and see how it looks on my lips. And last but not least, we have this, Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots 10 minute stimulating scalp mask. Okay, so we have a hair mask as well. It says in here, revive tired and flat hair with this 10 minutes miracle worker that will add a boost of life into the roots. This stimulating scalp mask revitalizes the scalp, lifts the roots so your hair appears bouncy and voluminous. Infused with burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins and caffeine, the mask creates a cooling sensation whilst creating a fuller and thicker appearance of hair. This paraben and sulfate-free formula will leave hair light, clean and bouncy. How to use: massage a generous amount into dry hair, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse off to reveal bouncy locks. Editor's tip: leave this on for an hour, covering hair with a shower cap for an intensive treatment to revive even the driest of hair. Okay, that seems really interesting and I will definitely use it. So this is this month's box. In here we have 6 products. I think I will say 2 of them are full size and the rest are minis, but still it's a pretty good box. I see every subscription box this month it's about taking care of your skin, so it's not that bad. So yeah, this is the box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!